Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take another class from derivatives, and this is the last class of the derivative, okay, second order, and as well as from derivatives. So let's try. The question is like that: if y equal to sin inverse x root over 1 minus x square, then prove that 1 minus x square d square by dx square minus 3x dy dx minus y equal to how much? So I take y equal to sin inverse x root over 1 minus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. This one is u by b form, is not it? So root over 1 minus x square whole square 1 minus x square d by dx sin inverse x minus sin inverse x d by dx 1 minus x square. Now d by dx x square. So 1 minus x square 1 by 1 minus x square sin inverse x, that is 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square, that is minus 2x. Okay, so I'll differentiate this one. Now I multiply this part, take this part here, dy dx, here will be, this will be cancelled, here it will be 2 will be cancelled, here plus x sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, now this one is 1, equation 1. Look at here, sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. I can write what? I can write this one is y, is not it? So this one is y. So 1 minus x square dy dx, it will be 1 plus xy, right? This one is y. So now differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. What will you become? It will be 1 minus x square d by dx dy dx, okay, ddx plus dy dx ddx of 1 minus x square equal to 0. This one is x into dy dx plus y into dx by dx. Okay, here, come here, we can write here this 1 minus x square d square y by dx square plus dy dx into minus 2x equal to what? X into dy dx plus y. Now this dy dx, if I take in the left side, it will become like that. It will become 1 minus x square d square y dx square minus 3x dy dx equal to y and equal to minus y. Okay, equal to minus y equal to 0. So this one is proved. And this question is came in CBSE, what? In CBSE 2009. And this question is came CBSE 2009. Okay, every question is came in CBSE or another state board ICSE exams. So what I am doing here? I am doing here, I take this part and I differentiate. This one is u into u by b form, and after differentiation, after simplifying, this here is came and I multiply this part is in the left side, and here sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square, I can put here x y. This part is y, is not it? Now I differentiate it again. Okay, this one is u into b form and this one is also u into b form, and after simplification the final result is came out. Okay, I hope you understood. So the next question is, if y equal to log x plus root over x square plus 1 whole to the power m, then prove that x square plus 1 d square y dx square plus x dy dx minus m square y equal to 0. So we have to prove this one, and this question is came in CBSE 2013. Okay, so let's try. Y equal to log x plus root over x square plus 1 whole to the power m. Now differentiate this one, dy dx, there will be m log x plus root over x square plus 1 whole to the power m minus 1. Okay, now again differentiate this one. Log x is what? Log x is x plus root over x square plus 1, and again this one is 1 plus root over 2x square plus 1 into 2x. This one will cancel. So dy dx is what? M log what? This one is m log. Oh, I take the wrong one. Oh, sorry. So there is a mistake. There is no log here. Here will be this part. There is no log here. Okay. So I take again root over of x square plus 1 all to the power m. If I take differentiate dy by dx, it will be m into x plus root over x square plus 1, and again this one is x plus 1 by 2 root over x square plus 1 into 2x. Okay, right? 2 will cancel out. So dy dx is m into x plus will be m minus 1 root over x square plus 1, and here will be 1 plus x by root over x square plus 1, right? So dy dx is m into x plus root over x square plus 1 m minus 1 into here will be x square plus 1 plus x by root over x square plus 1. Now this one and this one will be one part. So since this one and this one is same, so here will be one power, so it will become like that: x plus root over x square minus 1 whole to the power m minus 1 plus 1, and here root over of x square plus 1. So if I cancel this part, I can put the value of this one is what? Y. So dy dx, it will be m into y, and it will be x square plus 1. Now I am squaring both sides, so it will be dy dx. Now differentiate with respect to x. Now I am squaring both sides. So it will become dy dx square m square y square and x square plus 1. Why I am differentiating? Because there is in the answer there is m square, and here if I differentiate this will become m square and this will be cancel out. Now come here, I can write this one is x square plus 1 dy dx whole square equal to m square y square. Here m square plus 1 2 dy dx d square y dx square plus dy dx whole square into 2x. This is m square 2y and dy dx. So dy dx from both sides will be cancel out. So x square plus 1 d square y dx square, and here will be plus x dy dx and m square y. So the final answer will be like that: x square plus 1 d square y dx square plus x dy dx minus m square y equal to 0. So this is the final answer. So what I am doing here, I am just take the part and differentiating this one. First differentiating the power, and after that the inner part. After simplification, this part and this part of the base are the same. If this base is the same, then power will be added. Is not it? Then power will be added. This one is 1, is not it? So power will be added. Same 1 will be cancel out. So after it will be left x plus root over x square plus 1, and this part we can replace by y, and I put the value of y here. This part is y, I replace this part, and after that I squaring both side. After squaring, I cross multiplied this one, and after that I simply differentiate again in both side, and after simplification the final result is came out. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. So the third question is like that: If y equal to log x plus root over x square plus 1, then prove that x square plus a plus into dy dx plus x dy dx is what? Okay, so let's try. I take y equal to log x plus x square plus s square. Now differentiate both sides, so it will be dy dx. Dx to log x is 1 by x, so x plus root over x square plus s square. Here it will be 1 and here it will be 1 by, here so root x is 1 by 2 root x, and this one is 2x. Okay, dy dx 1 by x plus root over x square plus s square. 2 and will cancel out, and will be 1 plus x by root over x square plus s square. So dy dx is what? 1 by x plus root over x square plus s square into root over x square plus s square plus x by root over x square plus s square. Okay, so this part will be cancel out, so dy dx will be left root over of x square plus s square. Okay, now dx log x is 1 by x, and after that I differentiate on this will cancel out and this will be left. Okay, there is no square. Now I squaring both side. If I squaring both side, it will become x square plus s square. Okay, now come here. If I take in the left side, it will become x square plus s square dy dx whole square equal to 1. Now this one is u and this one is b, so x square plus s square, this will be dy dx and dy dx whole square, dy dx whole square into x square plus s square equal to d by dx1. dy dx 2 dy dx d square y dx square plus dy dx whole square, this will be 2x equal to 0. So now what is common here? 2 dy dx I can take common here from that, so 2 dy dx common, x square plus s square d square y and dx square plus x dy dx is will be left here. So now the final answer will be x square plus s square d square y dx square plus x dy dx. Okay, so this is the final answer. So it's so simple, is not it? It's so simple. So I first take this part and differentiating this part, and after simplifying here I squaring both side, and after squaring I cross multiplied, and after that I differentiate u into bs. After simplification this part will be came out. So this is the answer. Okay, so the next question is question number 4. If y equal to the power x sin x, then prove that this square y dx square minus 2 dy dx plus 2y equal to 0. And this question is came in CBSE 2009. Okay, so let's try. What is given here? Y equal to e to the power x sin x. Now differentiate this one. This one is u into b, is not it? Sin x is d dx of e to the power x. So d dx by dx e to the power x equal to cos x sin x e to the power x. Okay, dy dx. Now I differentiate again here. It will be, here will be u into b and here will be again u into b, is not it? So it will become e to the power x d dx of cos x plus cos x and d dx of e to the power x plus sin x d dx of e to the power x e to the power x d dx of sin x. Okay, now d square y d square x e to the power x, this one is minus sin x cos x e to the power x, sin x e to the power x, e to the power x, cos x. So now d square y dx square is what? If I take e to the power x as common, it will become minus sin x. So here you see this part and this part will be cancelled. So what will be left? 2 e to the power x cos x will be left here. Is not it? Now take the left side, left hand side. What is d square y and dx square minus 2 dx plus 2y. So this, in this type of questions, you first differentiate this one, this first time, and after differentiate again this second time. Okay, and after that, like the previous question, this derivation, this proof will not came out in the form of the single part. If you have to take the left part of the proof or showed part, okay, left hand side part, and after that you have to put all the values. This is the values of d square y second derivative, the values of first derivative, and values of y. Okay, so I will put here. It will be 2 e to the power x cos x minus 2, and dy dx is what? E to the power x cos x plus sin x e to the power x, and plus 2. Y is what? E to the power x sin x. Okay, so I multiply, this is e to the power x cos x minus 2 e to the power x cos x minus 2 sin x into e to the power x, right? And here plus 2 e to the power x sin x. So you see this one will be cancelled out. So what will be left here? It will be 0. So it is right hand side. So hence proved. So you have to remember in this type of questions, you have to direct differentiate first order, then again differentiate first order derivative, and after that take the left hand side part of the proved that have to be proved, and after that you put the values of second derivative, first derivative, and y, and after simplification the right hand side will be came out. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. So the next questions, okay, the next question, that is 5th number question of the last video of lecture of second order derivative. So if x is equal to this part a cos theta plus log tan theta by 2 and y equal to a sin theta, then find the value of d square y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4. So now I take this value, cos theta plus log tan theta by 2. Okay, now differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta, it will be d by d theta cos theta, here will be d by d theta log tan theta by 2. So dx by d theta, it will be minus sin theta, and it will be 1 by tan theta by 2, it will be sec theta by 2, and dx of 1 theta by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, so now minus this minus sin theta, it will be cot theta by 2, and here will be 1 by cos square theta by 2, it will be 1 by 2. Now after simplifying, this will be sin theta, and here it will be cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2, here will be 1 by cos square theta by 2, 1 by 2. So this part will be cancelled out. Two sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, cos theta, it will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is what? It will be sin theta. So after simplifying, it will become, this one is sin theta, is not it? This one is sin theta, this one also sin theta. So it will be minus sin square theta plus 1 by sin theta. So therefore dx by d theta into 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by sin theta. Now take this part y equal to what? A sin theta. Now differentiate this part, dy by d theta will be a cos theta. Now therefore dy by dx, it will be a cos theta by a cos square theta by sin theta. This one cancel, and it will be sin theta by cos theta. This one will be cancel, one is not it. Sin theta will be upward side, it will be cot theta. Now d square y dx square will be d by dx cot theta. So now it will become minus cosec square theta into d theta by dx. Okay, so d theta by dx is what? D theta by dx is this one. D theta by dx is this one, sin theta by the base a, this will be become sin theta by a cos square theta, Okay, now put the value of theta is here. Now put the value of theta is how much? 5/4. So d square y and dx square theta equal to 5/4, right? So cosec square 45 degree, it will be cosec square 45 degree, sin 45 degree, a cos square 45 degree. So cosec 45 degree is what? 2. Okay, and sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, or it will be 1 by 2. So here will be a. So after simplification, it will become minus 4 by root 2 a. Okay, so this is the answer. So what I am doing here, I take this first, I take this part first, and after differentiating with, and I did differentiate with respect to theta both sides. Okay, after that, after simplification, what becomes dx by d theta is came this one, and after that I differentiate, take this part and differentiate y with respect to theta also. So now dy dx is this one. So therefore d square y dx square equal to d by dx cot theta. So cot theta is minus cos square theta, and it will be dx d theta by dx. Now sin theta by, I put the value of dx by d theta here, and after that what becomes, I put the value of theta is 5/4, I put there is 5/4 here, and after simplification this one is came out. So I hope this type of question you understand. I will do another question, this type of questions. Okay, now so I take another questions. Okay, if x equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y equal to 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta, when find d square y dx square is what? At theta equal to 5/2. Okay, so take this part, x equal to 2 cos theta and cos 2 theta. Now differentiate this part again with respect to theta. So it will be dx by d theta equal to 2 cos theta minus d by d theta cos 2 theta. So it will be minus 2 sin theta, it will be minus means plus 2 sin 2 theta. Now I take this part also, sin 2 theta. This one is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Now therefore dy by and dx d theta dx by d theta. So here it is became 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. So it is became cos theta minus cos 2 theta sin minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta. So this one is became, what is find? I'm finding here, sorry, what becomes after derivative, I take this part x and differentiate this part, I take this the y part, and I also differentiate this one with respect to theta, and after that I find the dy dx is what, and after simplification this one is become. Now I have to find out d square by dx square, right? therefore d square y dx square, it will be something like that, minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta. And if I will do it directly, okay, I will do directly this one. If I do it, it will be square, and here will be minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta. And if I differentiate the upper part, it will be minus sin theta and minus plus 2 sin 2 theta. Okay, right? And come here will be into minus b, that is cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and here will be minus cos theta plus 2 sin 2 theta, right? And into there will be d theta by dx. So it's a long process, so minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta, okay. And d theta by dx is what? This one, d theta by dx is what? 1 by minus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta, okay. And this part is here, minus sin theta plus sin 2 theta and minus sin theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. Oh, this one is came in the square form, okay, this one came in square form. And minus here also it is came in the square form. No, it is not came in the square form. I take this one is u and this one is b, cos theta minus sin theta is plus sin 2 theta. And here if I take this one is cos theta and this one is minus cos theta. Okay. This one is cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and this will be minus cos theta plus 2 sin 2 theta. No, it is not in the square form. It is sin theta, and here will be 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta 2 sin theta. Okay. Now putting theta equal to pi by 2. So d square y dx square theta equal to pi by 2. After putting this one, see, sin pi by 2 is what? 1, sin pi is 0. So if I put it will be minus 1, it will be 0, and here will be minus 1, it will be sin 2 theta 2 sin theta, it will be 0. Okay. Here it will be minus cos pi is minus 0, cos pi by 2 is 0, and cos pi is minus 1, it will be plus 1 here, and here will be 0, it will be, no, it will be cos, and it will also cos, is not, it will be also cos. I take this part here, and if I did, this is also cos 2 theta. So here it will be cos 2 theta. So it will be plus 2, is not it? 2 pi, there is minus 2 it will came out, and here it will be minus 1 plus 0, and this here if I take this part, here will be minus 2 plus 0. So after that, here it will be like, here will be minus 1, and here will be 1 by minus 2. This one will be plus 1 minus, and here this one is 1, and this one is minus 2. That is 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So I first take this part and differentiate this part with respect to x, and I take another part this part and differentiate with respect to x. Then I find, differentiate with respect to theta, both the x and y. Now I find the dy dx is what? Dy dx is dy by d theta, we can write dx by d theta. After that I differentiate again with respect to theta, and after simplification this one is came, and I put the value of theta is pi by 2 here, and after simplification the answer will be 3 by 2. Okay. I hope this is helpful for you. So the next question, there is the last question of derivatives and last question of the lecture and last question of the second derivative. Okay, so the question is like that: if y equal to the power a cos inverse x, that is x is minus 1, the value of x is varying between minus 1 to plus 1. Show that this part. Okay, 1 minus x square d square y dx square and minus x dy dx minus x square y. So I take this part first. So dy dx, it will be to the power x, it will be to the power x. Now it will be x, and d dx of cos x is minus root over 1 minus x square. Now I squaring both side, it will be a cos inverse x whole square s square root s 1 minus x whole square, and this part we can replace by 1. Okay, by y. Okay, so dy dx y square, there is y square into s square and by 1 minus x square. Now multiply this part here, 1 minus x square dy dx whole square s square y square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x, and this is in the form of u into b, this is in the form of u into b form. Okay, now 1 minus x square d by dx dy dx whole square plus dy dx whole square dy dx 1 minus x square, and here will be s square dy dx y square. It will be 2 dy dx d square y dx square plus dy dx minus 2x 2y dy dx 2 dy dx 1 minus x square minus x dy dx 2 dy dx cancel, 2 will be cancelled out, and what will be left? 1 minus x square d square y dx square minus x dy dx, it will be minus s square y equal to 0. So this is the correct answer. So conservatively came out, this is proved, or we can say showed. So let me explain in 10 seconds again. I first take this part and differentiate this part. After that I squaring both sides such that this square root will be cancelled out by square, and after that I replace this e to the power cos inverse x is y square by y, and after that I cos multiply this one, and this is in the form of u into b, and here I differentiate this. After this step I differentiate the both side with respect to x, and after simplification the correct answer, there is the final answer is came out. So student, this is the complete differentiation I already completed. If you are in CBSE, if you are in state board, or if you are in ICSE, whatever board you are studying, if you follow my all the content of differentiations, that is first order and second order, you don't need any tuition, you don't need any guidance. Okay, you just follow my channel, and after one you will get all the videos and all the contents, and after if you interested to take tuition, and you can take also tuitions, and this content will be helpful for you, for all of the students, that is state board, CBSE, TBSE, WSE and ICSE also, and any other board in India, not only India and across the globe also. Okay, you know, after India, this channel DATTA'S English, this channel after India, the next most viewers country is USA and Europe. So you can guess my content is what level. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope all of you are fine. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.